Now that all the floor heating is laid, we need to then work on getting your probe and your cold lead up to your controller. Okay, so you feed down a fish wire or a draw wire, connect both your two cables to it, and pull them up to the controller. Okay, once you've done that, then we need to create a channel in the underfloor heating or in your subfloor, so that then the cable sits flat. Now in this case it's nice and easy because we put the insulation boards down, so we can just use a Stanley to make a little channel for then the hot and cold joint to sit flat in the floor. Okay. Also, with regards to the probe, we've put the probe in line with our floor heating. Okay, and so the idea is you want your probe to be equidistant between the two runs of wire. Okay, what you don't want to do is have your probe directly underneath one of your wires, because then you'll get a false reading. So you want it to be in the middle of your wire. Once again, make a channel, it's up to your controller. We give you a floor heating conduit, so that then you put your probe in that conduit and sit that underneath the floor. Tape up the end so that then no levelling compound or adhesive can then go up that, and then just lay that down on the floor and then run that to your control. And then that's the next stage. So now we're ready to put the levelling compound down on the floor. If you've got any sides, or if there's anything which is slightly lifting and you need to fix it down, you can fix it down with either a spray tack or a duct tape. One thing you don't want to do is fix it down with staples, because that's a big no-no, because you'll go through the cable.